Oh, what's up guys? For today's video, tuturo ko na sa inyo kung ano yung build kay Layla na nakaka one hit. Na hindi nakaka one hit. Ayun, nakaka one hit. Papakita ko sa inyo. Basta makinig lang kayo. Kasi papakita ko sa inyo yung one hit build kay Layla, yung natatinaw. Isang ano lang to, isang patama. Tingnan nyo guys, mawawala na lang dito yung mga kalaban. Wala na kong mga patama. Ito na yung, papakita kami sa inyo yung build kay Layla. Ito pala si Layla Dilima, oh. Yan na si Layla Dilima, oh. Nagsabi ng ready. Ready na daw kayo, ready na. What? Oh my God! Biday! 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 Okay na, nagsimula na. Mawawala to sa mapa to.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash
Ay,
them.
din kang sumba.
All troops deployed. The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys.
So guys, mag-build pala kayo kay Layla, gamitin yung bots, yung swift bots para attack speed.
That one little girl is gonna save someone this time.
Oo. First blood kagad, oh. Oh, first blood.
First blood.
Sabi na, first blood ng Tigreal. Tignan natin yung kung... Ay!
The gun represents
Ay, namali.
justice. When pointing at the bad guys.
Putik yan. Nilolog muna sa turret.
That one little girl is gonna save someone this time. The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys. That one little girl is gonna save someone this time.
Akin na yan. Salamat.
Double kill. The gun represents
Mas
justice.
close nga pala guys yung
When
pangalawang
pointing
build
at
ko.
bad guys. That one little girl. Attack!
Ano?
The gun represents justice. When pointing at bad guys. Ally has
Oh guys, oh. Kasi
that one little girl is gonna save someone this time. Killing spree.
Oh, ano? Putik ang bilis tumakbo nito ba?
The gun represents justice.
Okay, open mo muna
Pointing
si
at bad guys.
Belle para maging bakla.
That one little girl is gonna save someone this time. The gun represents justice. When
Malakas tong, ano? Alam mo malakas tong Balmond kasi sugod. Sugod ang sugod. Ano ka, Sid Pao Franco? What the dog doing? Oh, wala na akong pakalam sa inyo.
The gun represents
Kung ano nyo
justice
gawin dito sa iyo.
when pointing at the bad guys. That once little girl is gonna save someone's time. Mega kill!
O, tipi sa muka.
The gun represents justice when pointing at the bad guys.
Isip, isip.
That once little girl. Unstoppable!
Next guys, itong ano po, ano pala. Ito.
The gun represents justice when pointing at the bad guys.
O, banlag yan o.
That once
Ay,
little girl.
nagbawi si Franco ah. Mukhang nagbawi. Mukhang napatay.
Monster kill. The gun represents justice when pointing at the bad guys. That once little girl has been saved. You destroyed.
Halika dito, Balmond.
Launch attack.
Tara, Balmond, dito tayo sa may damo. Para walang makakita.
The gun represents
Sabi ni
justice
Laila ko, tara,
when
sige.
pointing at the bad guys.
Putik yan mo. Dito sa may damo.
That once little girl is gonna save someone. Time to shine! Ally has been slain. The gun represents justice. Legendary! Pointing at the bad guys.
Huwag muna nating ipos.
That once little girl.
Masyadong maaga pa.
Ally has been slain. The gun represents justice when pointing at the bad guys. That once little girl is gonna save someone's time. Ally has been slain.
Ginagawa mo dyan, Nana. Saan ka papunta?
Gun represents justice. Legendary.
Oh, yan.
Request backup. Launch attack.
Sleepy girl.
That once little girl is gonna save
Saka.
Team destroyed a turret. Launch attack.
Next, itong
The gun represents
Blade of Despair.
enemy and pointing at bad guys. Phew! Killing spree.
Mag-buff na lang tayo.
That once little girl is gonna save someone's time. Launch attack. The gun represents justice when pointing at the bad guys.
Tumakbo ka na saan sa pinangroroonan mong babes. Huwag ka nang pumalag pa. Dahil ikaw ay mawawala sa mapa.
The gun represents justice when pointing at the bad guys. That once little girl is
Our
gonna
turret
save.
has been destroyed. Request backup.
Banlag ata mata nito ni Layla. Tingnan niyo, oh.
Gun represents justice when pointing at the bad guys.
Ano yan, Layla? Yan, bilisan. Tapos double kill.
That
Walang takbuhan daw sa Layla. Triple kill na to.
Enemy has been slain.
Tagal mang one hit. Ay! Tignan mo na nga tayong
The
profile.
gun
Magano muna tayo.
represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys.
Tagal mang one hit. Mukhang ma-one hit dito si Anabi. Si Nana.
Slain. That once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Tatabayin ko na muna nga si Layla. Sobrang fight kasi.
Justice. When pointing at the bad guys.
Ito naman guys, susunod dito.
That once little girl
Demon
is gonna
Hunter.
save someone this time.
Para maging ulit talaga. Wala na tayo. Wala na tayong token dyan.
Legendary. An ally has been slain.
Guys.
An enemy has been
Ay,
slain.
putik. At ang papatay niya sana si Hanabi.
The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys. That once little
Your
girl.
team destroyed a turret. Launch attack.
Ayun, si San, oh. Guys, tingnan nyo. Mawawala yun sa mapa si San. Tuwit lang yan. Tingnan nyo.
The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad
Ano?
guys.
Destroyed a turret.
Ngayon, mga one hit na ako.
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time. The gun represents
Oh, guys.
justice. When pointing at the bad guys.
Joke lang. Di pa yun. Ito na talaga. Tingnan nyo. One hit yan.
That once little girl
Tingnan nyo guys. One hit yan, oh.
save someone.
Launch attack.
What a nice. Oh. Hindi ba pala yun? Hindi ba pala yun, guys?
Turret is under attack.
Wala pang gana.
Legendary.
Oh, ito na talaga, guys.
Slain.
Yes na to.
Executed.
Nasa to.
Ally has been slain.
Ito yung tunay na one hit.
The gun represents justice.
Launch
When
attack.
pointing at the bad guys. That
Ang si
once
Sano.
little girl is gonna save someone this
Naruto
time.
talaga si San. Naruto Shippuden.
The gun represents justice.
Puntang patakbo
When
dyan.
pointing at the bad guys.
Oh, kita nyo
Legendary.
yun, guys. Yung damage. Kulang pa yun. Takbuhin nyo yung San.
That once little girl is gonna save
Ano pa
someone
ni...
this
O,
time.
tingnan nyo guys, si Franco.
Time killing spree.
One hit. Grabe, apakaangas.
The gun represents justice. When
Kayong
pointing at
maingay
the
na
bad
one hit
guys.
si...
Legendary.
Oh, yun, 3 hit. Huwag kayong maingay na one hit si Franco.
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
An enemy
Ay,
has
okay na.
been slain.
Okay na mga lords. Gaya nyo tong build ko.
Gun represents justice.
Kahit anong emblem.
When pointing at the bad guys.
Your team
Ito. Ay, si Hanabi. Si Hanabi.
That once little girl.
Hindi ko to napatay ngayon, oh. So, gayahin nyo na, guys. Malakas to. Oo. Wala nang takbuhan yan. Kahit sino pa yan, walang takbuhan.
maniac.
So, guys, so wala nang takbuhan yan. Savage.
Team destroyed a turret. Launch attack. Team destroyed a turret.
Hey, guys,
Launch
Victory!
Victory!
Bye guys, dahil na nagtatapos ang aking video. Bye mga ka-idolo.